It may seem strange to see a rowboat in the middle of a college campus.
This could be our whole world.
But perhaps even stranger is that in a few weeks, this boat will be in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean with 4 veterans on board.
We like to compare ourselves to the Jamaican bobsled team.
Alex Evans is a skipper.
I've never rowed in an ocean.
But he's confident he and his team, Fight or Die, can be the first ever All-American military veteran ocean rowing team to race across the Atlantic Ocean, all to raise awareness about mental health for veterans.
So this is where we'll be sleeping. We'll have 2 guys at a time in there.
It's something everyone on this team has struggled with.
Yeah, anxiety, panic, insomnia were three of my biggest issues.
So they hope this journey can send a message to other vets.
You can do anything you want. You're not damaged, you're not hurt, you're likely better than everybody else. So we wanted to show them they still have that.
This space, it's really small, but this is where the vets are going to be sleeping. They do 2 hours sleeping, then 2 hours rowing. These are extreme conditions, and researchers are going to be watching everything they do to see how they're going to react.
We really like to know and are trying to figure out how we can better prepare people who are voluntarily going into environments like this.
Dr. Jacob Hyde is a veteran and leads the military psychology program at the University of Denver. His team will be working with these vets before, during, and after their journey and use that information to help veterans, astronauts, and others placed in extreme environments.
People get put voluntarily into stressful environments, then they get out of those environments with problems like PTSD, traumatic brain injury, substance use. We are trying to better figure out how to prepare people on the front end to go into those environments so that bad things don't happen to them.
So these are the rowing seats.
Beginning with the end in mind.
And I think we're all realizing, that the military community is pretty much in dire need of, some attention here. And I think we're about to get it.
For purpose beyond this boat. For the Now, I'm Kumasi Urin.